How to use Argent Wallet easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Argent Wallet to buy, earn, stake, and trade on Ethereum Layer 2 with low fee and bulletproof security. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys can do is you can go to argent.xyz on your desktop, or what you can do is you can also actually download the Argent app with your Apple Store or Google Play Store. So I will be kind of like creating my account on my desktop for the purpose of the video and to actually show you how to get a Argent wallet. So you will go to argent.xyz, you will get right here, and then you need to click right here on Argent X because this is the desktop version for our wallet that we will be using. And here we can add the extension to our Google Chrome or Firefox. So I'm going to click right here on Google Chrome and download the extension. It will take me to chrome.google.com/extension. You can see Argent X. Click on Add to Chrome, add extension, and it will just take a minute to download. Once it's done, the extension will be added. You can see right here. Alright, so now we can create a new wallet, or we can actually connect or restore an existing wallet as well. Make sure to pin your extension right here as well so that you can use it easily. We will be creating a new wallet right here. It will give us an Ethereum wallet on layer 2 with a high security. So I'm going to click on new wallet. Disclaimer, I understand everything, so just going to check here, click on continue. New wallet. We just have to enter a password and confirm our password to create a wallet. So I'm going to quickly do that. After you have entered your password, click on create wallet. So our wallet has been created. Now we can open up our extension. This is the extension right here. So we're going to open up our extension. You're going to click right here. Here we have our wallet that we just created. You can see we have our account, and we can create more than one account on Argent. If you want, you can get more than one wallet. On Argent, you can see we have add funds option, send option, deploy wallet, and at the bottom right here we have transfer, NFTs, and activity. Tokens, NFTs, and activities. So if I click on add funds, I will be able to add funds to my Argent wallet to a card or a bank transfer. So this is available for the mainnet right here, this option to actually buy with credit card or your bank transfers. Then we have another StarNet account. If you want to deposit from another account that you have, you can of course do that. And then we have bridge from Ethereum and other chains. If you want to bridge from your tokens, and if you want to bridge your assets to from any other chain, then you can get from Stargate right here. So these are the three options to deposit your funds in your Argent wallet. Moving on, we have the send option. Click on send right here, and what you will do is you will just enter the address of the person you want to send funds to, and you will be able to do so. So it's actually really easy to send. Then we have deploy wallet. Our wallet is being deployed. When you create a new wallet, it will be deployed right here. So you can see right here, it's happening. Then we have tokens. Click on tokens right here, and it will show you the token with your Argent wallet on the blockchain that you have, on the network that you have selected. Then we have NFTs. With NFTs, of course, if you have bought any NFTs, if you have any kind of assets, NFT assets, then you can of course check them here, the ones that you bought with your Argent wallet. Then we have activity, which will show me the recent activity happening with my Argent wallet, the transactions, the orders, the funding, the sending, whatever you are doing on your wallet. Moving on, we have our account. Click right here and it will show you your wallet. We have account 1, and you can create more than one wallet, as I mentioned before. So you can see we have networks, and you can switch to your mainnet network, testnet, or a local host. And you can go to the settings as well. In settings, we have our lock wallet option, extended view. So we can actually extend our wallet. Let's actually do that so that it becomes easy for us to use. Hey, there you go. So we have extended our wallet, and this is what it looks like. We were inside our settings. So in settings, you can see we have our lock wallet option, address book, reset dApp connections, show recovery phrase, and manage networks. Click on manage networks, and this is where you can add a new network to your Argent wallet. So you're going to click on this plus button right here, enter the network name, enter the internal ID, chain ID, and base URL. So these are the things that you need to add a custom network to your Argent wallet. So if you're looking for a custom network, then you can add it right here. We also have our Explorer API URL, Block Explorer in some advanced settings for the network, RPC, URL, account, class hash. So you will enter these details and click on create. New network will be added on your Argent X wallet. So this is actually really easy. And with our default wallet that we have our mainnets and testnets. So click on the mainnet right here. It will show you the mainnets that you have. And then it will also show you the testnet that you are running. So you can see these are the network settings. Scroll down a little bit to the block explorer, privacy and experimental. So these are all the settings for the Argent wallet that you will keep in mind. And then we have account, as I showed you. Let's actually get back to our main dashboard right here. You can see we have these three dots. Click on these three dots and you will be able to actually view on star scan. It will show you the live prices, of course, and the portfolio for your wallet that you have. Edit name for your wallet. We can click on edit and give it another name. For example, I'm going to call it a test wallet. There you go. Then these three dots, and we have export private key and hide account. So these are all of the different settings that we do with Argent to get started and to set up our Argent wallet to buy, send and earn with Ethereum on layer 2. Similarly, now, if I go to any other platform and that platform, let's say there is an NFT platform and it requires an Argent wallet, and now what I will do is I will just, go to that platform, click on connect wallet, and I will connect my Argent wallet because we have it. You don't require any funds in order to connect your wallet to a platform, to an NFT platform, or if you're using an exchange and it requires you to have an Argent wallet, then you can just, connect it without adding any funds. But again, if you click on add funds, you will be able to add fund really easily with 3 options available. Keep in mind that buy with card and bank transfer is available for the mainnet only. It's not available for the testnet or a local host. It will also set up your security for your account because Argent is one of the most secure wallet out there when it comes to the Ethereum, and it also allows us to stake Ethereum really easily. With Argent, we will be able to earn up to 10% by staking Ethereum, earn 2.5% on USDC and DAI, buy with card or bank transfer, and even trade tokens in a tab. So these are some of the advantages of using Argent Wallet. Go ahead and get your Argent Wallet right now. You can get Argent X for your desktop or download the app on your iOS or Android phones and get started with your Argent wallet. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.